Hey guys, Brent here from Pedestal Solutions, and today I want to talk about versatility. That is a very important word here for us at Pedestal Solutions. This PP39 is a great example of that. All we did to supply the client for this one was an in-use cover with the red-green push-button activators and indirect lighting on the top. This is a great application for your boat lifts, gangways, whatever your requirements are. What I ask you to do is head to our website, take a look at our product line. We have cut sheets and drawings for every single one of our products up there. If you think that we can get a solution for what you need inside one of our enclosures, I guarantee you we can bring you value. We're going to save you money. We're going to offer a 10-year warranty on any of our products that you purchase from us. The key ingredient is getting your needs in our enclosures. All NEMA 3R listed, ready to go. Contact us today if you think you might have a solution that works with us.